Hi students, good afternoon everybody. So we are seeing the supplementary, the first patient. So let me have a small sum up of what we have seen in the last class. So we have seen the characters from men 1 to 8 and women 1 to 8. And we have seen a dentist, a nurse, a little girl called Dorothea and a small boy called Morris. Okay, so the doctor is coming late and the first patient is getting inside, man 1 is getting inside, and as the hammering sound is heard from inside, woman 1 is worried about the sound because the person inside is her husband. Okay, and meanwhile woman 5 is a peculiar character who is always interested in showing her photographs to others. Okay, as the nurse is carrying hammers and cutting pliers to inside the dentist room, that is inside the surgery, women 1 is worried very much. Okay, so this is what we have seen in the last class. Now let us continue. So we have seen till this, women 1 is telling, no, it can't be true. They can't do this to Joe, not to my Joe. So definitely they cannot do this to my husband. Women 1 is telling. Okay. And now women 2 forces women 1 back into her seat. So as women 1 is trying to get inside the doctor's room, women 2 is forcing her to sit in her seat. Women 2, there don't upset yourself, dear. There is nothing to worry about. So she is telling, don't worry. Please don't be upset. Everything will be all right. Woman 1 starts weeping and sobbing. Okay, so again woman 1 is, as she is hearing this continuous sound from inside, she starts weeping and crying, sobbing. Sobbing na enadhu? Thembi alarudhu. Okay. Man 3, a bit big, wasn't it? So he is telling, so the nurse is taking hammers and cutting pliers inside இல்லையா. So he is telling it is a bit big. So ஒரு tooth remove பண்ணுறதுக்கு இவ்வளோ பெரிய instruments எல்லாம் தேவையில்லை. It is bit big. Man 3 is telling. Man 4, nothing to what they used in the old days. I heard of a chap. Chap means a boy or a person. I heard of a chap once, the roots of whose teeth were wrapped round his jawbone. He was 5 hours in the chair. So what man 4 is telling us, once I heard about a boy, அவனோட teeth roots எல்லாம் எப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா, it was wrapped around the jawbone. Jawbone என்ன தாடை எலும்புன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. ஓகே, ஸோ அதுக்குள்ளெல்லாம் பைண்ட் ஆகிட்டு இருந்தது. வாட்? டீத் ரூட், டீத்தோட ரூட் எல்லாம். ஸோ இட் டுக் 5 hours to remove the teeth. Man 3 is telling, none the worse for it, I will bet. ஸோ அந்தளவுக்கு வேர்ஸாலாம் இருக்காது, வெஸ்டாலாம் ஜோட டீத் இருக்காது, I bet. ஓகே, there is a sudden screech of metal from the surgery. So there is a screeching sound of a metal. Screeching sound என்ன? Suppose some metal வச்சு ஏதாவது ரிமூவ் பண்ணுறோம், இழுக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த screeching sound will be hearing, no? That is called as screech. There is a sudden screech of metal from the surgery. Woman 1 gasps with horror and is about to make a dash for the surgery door when she is dragged back by woman 2. Okay, woman 1 is trying to get inside the room, but woman 2 is bringing her back and making her to sit in her seat. Man 4. So who is man 4? In the beginning of the playலயே பார்த்தோம். He is a person who ஒரு rough bandage. Okay, whose jaw is tied around with a rough bandage. So he is groaning loudly in pain. The small boy and the little girl at the table start a fight about a magazine they both want. Okay, so Dorothea and Morris had a small fight. ஏன்னா ரெண்டு பேரும் they need the same magazine. So there was a fight among them at the table. Women 8 and women 7 attempt to separate them. So women 8 and 7 are trying to solve their fight. Through all this noise, women 5 is still trying to show her photograph. So in between all this noise, what women 5 is doing is she is not bothered about anything. She is always concentrated in showing her photographs. Next, women 6. I wish some people would keep their children under control. So what women 6 is telling us, so the people, that is the parents, should be able to keep their parents and children under their control. She is telling. Women 7 is telling, yes, really, At last, the little girl and the small boy settle in their seats. They are both sulking. Okay, so sulking means they are very sad, and so they are very silent. So finally, they both of them are sitting in their seats very silently and sadly. Man 2, there should be a special waiting room for children. So as the children are making noise, man 2 is telling there should be a special waiting room for children. The metallic screech is heard again from the surgery. Fresh sobs from women 1. Okay, so again the screeching sound is heard from inside the doctor's room, and again women 1 is starting to sob, cry. Women 1, I can't stand it. Oh, Joe. Okay, so I cannot bear this sound. So she is worried about her husband, Joe. Man 4 groans. So man 4 is groaning in pain. Small boy. Now the small boy is asking, what was that noise, mummy? So he is asking to his mother, what is that noise which is heard from inside the dentist room, that is the doctor's room? Women 8 is telling, don't ask awkward questions, Morris. Okay, awkward questions abdina, difficult questions. It means some inconvenient question. So why that question is here inconvenient is because if the mother is explaining about the sound, okay, so what the boy will think, definitely Morris will get afraid and avenna panamata, kandipa he will not be going to meet the doctor. So teeth remove பண்றதுனால தான் அப்படி ஒரு sound கேக்குதுன்னு சொன்னா definitely he will not be ready to meet the doctor. So that's why it is an inconvenient or difficult question. Okay. Man 7, I will tell you, little boy, that noise was a man having a tooth out. That's how it's going to sound when you have yours out. Only much louder, because then it will be inside your head. Okay, what man 7 is telling, I'll tell you what is that sound. That noise was a, what noise? ஒரு teeth remove பண்றதுனால வர noise தான் அது. So it will be sounding the same when you are removing your teeth also. உன்னோட teeth remove பண்ணும்போது same sound will be heard. Okay, much louder sound will be heard because உன்னோட teeth வந்து எங்க இருக்கும், உன்னோட தலையில மாட்டிட்டு இருக்கும். So much louder sound will be heard. Who is telling? Man 7 is threatening the boy like that. So why he is threatening means because they had made some noises, so that's why. Women 6, what do you think to tell a small boy? So women 6 is telling, why to say such things to small children? Man 6 is telling, disgusting. It is unpleasant to hear such explanations to small boy. It's all do the lad. It will do the lad good. Bring him up natural, I always say. So what man 7 is replying is, so உண்மையை சொன்னா definitely it will help them to grow in a natural way. So lad na inga that boy, Morris. Okay. Small children we will call as chap, lad. Okay. Again small boy, what he is telling is, how mummy, take me to school, quick, take me to school. So he is asking to his mother, please take me to the school. Women 8, his mother is telling, take you to school. What on earth do you mean? ஸ்கூலுக்கு கூட்டிகிட்டு போகிறதா? வாட் அ சர்ப்ரைஸ், என்ன சொல்கிற நீ? ஹீஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் டு ஹஸ் ஷீ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் டு ஹர் சன். ஸ்மால் பாய் இஸ் ரிப்ளையிங், ஐ ஹாவ் நாட் காட் toothache at all. ஸோ வாட் ஹீ இஸ் டெல்லிங், ஐ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் எனி, எனக்கு பல்வலியெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஐ வாஸ் ஜஸ்ட் ஜோக்கிங், ஜோக்காக தான் நான் சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன் பல்வலிக்குதுன்னு. ஐ ஜஸ்ட் வாண்டட் டு கெட் ஆஃப் டு ஸ்கூல், ஸோ ஐ ஜஸ்ட் டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு கோ டு ஸ்கூல், தட்ஸ் வை ஐ செட் மை டூத் இஸ் பெயினிங். Now take me to school, mummy, please. Okay, now he is telling, please take me to school. So everyone sitting there is laughing. Women 8, I will take you to school, all right. Women 8 takes the small boy by the ear. அப்படின்னா என்ன, காதை பிடிச்சி இழுத்துட்டு போகிறது, by the ear. She drags him out. She is taking him out. And I will get the headmaster to give you a good thrashing. Thrashing na என்ன, நல்லா அரையிறது. Okay. So I will ask your principal to give you a good thrashing. Exit women 8 and the small boy. The small boy is yelling. Yelling na, shouting a little bit louder. So man 5, now who is going out? So inga irukka patients la now who went out? Women 8 went out and also the small boy went out. So among the 20 characters that we are seeing in this play, now how many characters had gone out? 2 characters, that is women 8 and the little boy had gone out of 20 characters. Okay. Now man 5 is telling a little discipline, that's what he wants. So he is complaining about the boy, that boy should be little disciplined. Woman 5 is still showing her photographs. So she is the only person who is not bothered about anything, and still she is concentrated in showing her photographs. So woman 5 is telling this one should make quite an impression on you, dear. Okay. So look at this photograph. Definitely this photograph will be very much impressing. There is a loud hammering from the surgery. இப்போ என்ன கேக்குது? So அந்த டாக்டரோட ரூம்ல இருந்து a loud hammering sound is heard from the doctor's room. Yes, it does. Enters nurse from the surgery. Okay, so now nurse is coming from the doctor's room. Dentist voice. Do hurry, nurse, or we will never get these things shift. Okay, so doctor is telling to the nurse, do hurry, do very fastly, or else we cannot make these things shifted. Nurse walks across the stage and off left, and she is going out left. Man 6 is telling, well, really I don't think I can't wait. Okay, what man 6 is telling us, இதுக்கு மேலே என்னால் வெயிட் பண்ண முடியாது, ஐ காண்ட் வெயிட். ஸோ பை டெல்லிங் திஸ் ஹி இஸ் ஸ்டாண்டிங். Man 5, neither can I will be very late for work. So hereafter I too cannot wait, because if still I am waiting, I will be getting very late for my work. So he is standing, he is also standing, and they are going out. Who exits? Man 5 and man 6. So இப்போ how many characters had gone out? Women, little boy, women 8, man 5 and man 6. So totally how many characters had gone out? 4 characters had gone out of 20, right? Now women 6, but surely they can't really be using those tools to take out a tooth. So what women 6 is telling is, definitely they should not use such heavy tools to pull a tooth. Women 4 is telling, you heard what the man said, and those men have gone too. Okay, what women 4 is telling is, அந்த எந்த மேன், இந்த மேன் 5 அண்ட் மேன் 6 என்ன சொன்னாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத நீங்கள் கேட்டிங்களா? விமன் 6 இஸ் டெல்லிங், எஸ் தோஸ் மென் ஹாவ் கான் டு. அவங்கெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க? தே ஹாவ் கான் அவுட். மேன் 7 இஸ் டெல்லிங், கவர்ட்ஸ் எவ்ரி ஒன் ஆஃப் தெம், தே கான்ட் டேக் இட். ஓகே, ஸோ கவர்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னா இங்கே என்ன, வாட் இஸ் தட்? தே ஆர் கிரிட்டிசைசிங். மேன் 7 இஸ் கிரிட்டிசைசிங் தெம் அஸ் கவர்ட்ஸ், முட்டாள் அப்படின்னு திட்டுறாரு. ஏன்னா வெயிட் பண்ணி, they can't even wait to meet the doctor. That's why man 7 is criticizing them as cowards. Now little girl Dorothea, Mummy, I was only joking about my toothache too. So she is also telling that she was just joking about her tooth pain. I have not really got one, so really I don't have any pain. I was only trying to get off school. நானுமே ஸ்கூல் போகிறதுக்காக தான் பல் வலிக்குதுன்னு I have told a lie. நான் சும்மா விளையாட்டாக தான் சொன்னேன், பொய் சொன்னேன். Women 7, nonsense. Dorothea, you know your tooth is as black as the kitchen range. You are only trying to get out of it. Okay, so women 7 is scolding. ஸோ உன்னோட பல் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, லைக் கிச்சனில் அடுப்பு கறி மாதிரின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ லைக் தட் யுவர் teeth is looking very black. The little girl breaks into a howl. That is, the little girl starts to cry. Man 2 is telling, I can't stand howling children, I am off. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி சில்ட்ரன் கத்துற இடத்துல எல்லாம் I cannot wait, so I am also going out. So now man 2 is also going out. So now 5 had gone out of 20. Okay, next. So man 3, and I can't stand them either, I am coming with you. So நானும் இங்கே வெயிட் பண்ண முடியாது, I am also coming out. So now exits man 2 and man 3. So now totally how many had gone out? 6 patients had gone out of 20. Now women 7, now see what you have done, Dorothea. You have chased those men away. நீ அழுது என்ன பண்ணிட்ட? 2 persons you have sent them out. So what little girl is telling, they are lucky. நல்ல வேலை பரவாயில்ல, அவங்களாவது இந்த டாக்டர்கிட்ட இருந்து எஸ்கேப் ஆயிட்டாங்க, they are lucky. The little girl howls again. Okay, the little girl is crying again. The nurse enters, this time with a hacksaw. So hacksaw என்னது, எப்படி இருக்கும் இல்லையா, ரம்பம்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, that is called as hacksaw. Now she is bringing a hacksaw. Women 1, oh Joe, he will never stand it. So அவரால் அதை தாங்கிக்கவே முடியாது. The sound of sawing always did put his teeth on edge. This time the saw will be on the edge of his teeth. Oh, you horrible man. Can't I even make a joke? We need something to cheer us up. Okay, now women 1 is worried on seeing the hacksaw. Man 7 is telling, so this time the saw will be on the edge of his teeth. Women 2 is telling, oh you horrible man, why you are telling like that? Man 7 என்ன சொல்கிறாரு, நான் என்ன ஒரு ஜோக் கூட சொல்லக்கூடாதா அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாரு. Man 8, we need something to cheer us up. So we need something to make us happy. Women 4 is telling, surely it's against the law for a dentist to use a saw like that. Okay, what women 4 is telling us, definitely it will be against the law of a dentist to use a saw to remove the teeth of a person. So dental லாலையே இந்த மாதிரி இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி டீத் ரிமூவ் பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படிங்கிறது டெஃபினட்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் against the dental law. So the sound of violent sawing is heard from the surgery. Man 4 groans loudly. Okay, so the sound of cutting is heard from the surgery, and also man 4 is groaning loudly because of pain. Women 1 is crying again, oh no Joe, no. Women 1 makes a dash for the door but is prevented from opening it by women 2 and women 6. So women 1 is going to dash, ஓடி போய் இந்த டோரில் இடிச்சுக்கிற மாதிரி she is running, but is stopped by women 2 and women 6. Now women 3, you really must control yourself. So women 3 is telling to women 1, you have to control yourself. Women 2, there dear, I am sure it's not as bad as it sounds. நான் நினைக்கிறேன் அங்கே சவுண்ட் வர அளவுக்கு something wrong definitely will not happen. Who is telling? Women 2 is telling. They place women 1 back into her seat. So they are keeping women 1 back in the seat. Women 1, I am not waiting to find out, I have heard enough. So what women 1 is telling is, I have heard enough sound. So உள்ளே இருந்து என்ன சவுண்ட் வருது அப்படின்னு கேட்கலாம், I am not ready. Okay, now what women 3 is telling us, I prefer to keep my toothache. பரவாயில்ல, நான் பல்வலியோடையே நான் இருந்துடுறேன். Women 4, so do I. So let me too. Those pliers would never fit my mouth anyway. So அவ்வளோ பெரிய pliers, கட்டிங் pliersலாம் என்னோட மவுத்துக்கு செட் ஆகாது. It's better than being murdered anyway. இதுக்கு பதில் என்ன பண்ணிடலாம், it is better to kill me, murder me. So both women 3 and women 4 are standing, and now exit women 3, women 4 and women 6. So those 3 members are going out. So totally now how many have gone out? Already 6 plus 3. So 9 out of 20 had gone out. Okay, now just watch them go, covers every one of them. So what man 7, as usual he is telling, every one of them as covers because they cannot even wait to meet a doctor. Women 2, it's all very well you talking this way, you don't seem to have any nerves at all. Okay, so don't know how you are talking like that, and also you are not looking nervous. Nervousness and tension இருக்க மாதிரி இதில் you are not looking nervous. Man 7, this is nothing to some of the things I have heard of. I could tell you things that would make your hair stand on end. There was once, okay, man 7 என்ன சொல்கிறாருன்னா, ஸோ நான் இதை விட பயங்கரமாக நிறைய விஷயம்லாம் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். Okay, so I could tell you some things that would make your hair stand on end. Make your hair stand on end அப்படின்னா, ஸோ நம்ம ஏதாவது பயங்கர ஹாரபுளாக டெரிபிளாக கேள்விப்பட்டோன்னா என்ன ஆகும், அப்படி சிலிர்த்து போயிடும் இல்லையா, நம்மளோட கையில் இருக்க ஹேர் எல்லாம் அப்படி இப்படி ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக நிற்கும் இல்லையா, சிலிர்த்து போய். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி விஷயம்லாம் நிறைய நான் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். அதை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது இதெல்லாம் ஒரு மேட்ரே கிடையாது. ஹூ இஸ் டெல்லிங் மேன் 7 there was one. ஸோ அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு ஏதோ ஒரு இன்சிடெண்ட்டை சொல்ல வராரு. ஸோ வாட் women 2 is replying is, I am sure we don't want to hear it. Please stop. ஓகே, ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுங்க. அந்த விஷயம்லாம் we don't want to hear because my hair is standing on end already. ஏற்கனவே நான் அப்படி தான் இருக்கேன், சிலிர்த்து போன மாதிரி தான் இருக்கேன். ஸோ don't say any such news because I am not ready to hear. Now women 2, the sawing is heard again, even louder and harsher this time. Okay, so the sound is heard again. By this time the sound is very harsh. Okay, very harsh than before. Women 1 wails and man 4 groans. So women 1 is crying and man 4 is also shouting due to pain. Now women 5, don't you want to see any more of my holiday photos? She is a person who was always concentrated in showing her photographs whatever happens. So she is asking, don't you want to see any more of my holiday photos? இன்னும் என்னோட ஃபோட்டோஸ்லாம் நீங்கள் எதாவது பார்க்கலையா அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. Now exit man 8. Now who is going out? Man 8 is going out. So how many had gone out now? 10 out of 20 had gone out. Okay. Women 5 moves to women 7. Would you like to see some of my holiday photos? So she is asking, do you want to see any of my holiday photos? Women 7 is telling, well, I don't really. Please, நான் கண்டிப்பா பார்க்க விரும்பல. So I am not ready to see. I don't really. Women 5, now don't be shy. Now this one is a bit blurred, but down in the corner you can see my sister-in-law's little boy. So she is showing one of the photographs, and what she is telling us. So here you can see one of the photographs. Look at this photo. This is bit blurred. Blurred means not clear. Okay, but in the corner you can see my sister-in-law's little boy. So she is showing a photograph and she is explaining as usual. Women 7 takes the off. Okay. Women 7 takes the offered photograph reluctantly and looks at it vacantly. The surgery door opens. Okay, so women 7 takes the offered photograph reluctantly. Reluctantly with some hesitation. Because in that situation no one is ready to look at the photographs. The surgery door opens and the dentist enters. He looks very hot and bothered. Bothered means worried. He stands in the doorway. So doctor's room is getting opened. He is looking very hot. So he is looking very tensed and worried. He is standing in the doorway. Doorway na enna vasapadin solluvollaya. So that is called as doorway. Dentist, I am fed up with this. I am worried about this. I am off to get someone who knows something about this, about the job. நான் ரொம்ப ஒரீடாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப டிப்ரெஸ்டாக இருக்குது. யாராவது இந்த வேலை தெரிஞ்சவங்க யாராவது இருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா இட் வில் பி பெட்டர் அப்படின்னு டாக்டர் சொல்கிறாரு. ஸோ ஒரு டென்டிஸ்ட் இப்படி ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் சொன்னால் எல்லாரும் என்ன நினைப்பாங்க? டெஃபினெட்லி ஹி மைட் நாட் பி அ குட் டென்டிஸ்ட்னு நினைப்பாங்க இல்லையா? The dentist strides across the stage and exits left. For a moment, women 2, man 4 and women 5 sit gasping. Okay, so அவங்களுக்கு sit gapping. Then women 1 wails as women 2, women 7 and the little girl stand and make for the door left. Okay, so what is happening is women 2, man 4 and women 5 sit gapping. Okay, என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியாம they are sitting. Then women 1 is crying because her husband is inside. As women 2, women 7 and the little girl stand and make for the door left. Okay, so they are trying to go outside the door. Man 7 is telling, this is the end, I am off. அப்பா நான் போகிறேன். Who is telling? Man 7 is telling, போதும் நானும் வெளியில் போகிறேன். There are cries of me too, so am I, here I go, etc. And all except one and women 1 and women 5 go out in a hurry. So man 7 போகிறேன்னு சொன்ன உடனே என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க எல்லாரும், me too நானும் போகிறேன், so am I ஸோ நானும் கிளம்புறேன், here I go நானும் போகிறேன், etc. நிறைய பேர் அந்த மாதிரி ரீசன் சொல்லிட்டு ஓகே. ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி அங்கே 10 members தான் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ நவ் ரிமைன் ஆல் ஆர் கோயிங் எக்ஸப்ட் விமன் 1 பிகாஸ் ஹர் ஹஸ்பண்ட் இஸ் இன்சைட் அண்ட் விமன் 5 இன்னும் போகல பிகாஸ் ஷி வாண்ட்ஸ் டு ஷோ த ஃபோட்டோகிராஃப். ஸோ விமன் 1, women 5 and man 1, that is Joe, except 3 members, everyone is going out. Okay, so plus 3 plus doctor plus என்ன யார் இருக்காங்க inside, nurse. Okay, so 5 members are inside, so everyone is going out. Women 5, well really people are very rude. So how rude people are behaving? Who is telling? Women 5, because she is a person who wants just to show her photographs. Women 5 looks at the wailing women 1. So she is looking at the women 1 who is crying. Whatever is the matter, my dear? Women 1 is telling, it's Joe, poor Joe, goodness knows what state he is in now. Okay, so my husband is inside. I don't know in what condition he is inside now. Women 5 is asking, Joe, who is Joe and what's the matter with him? Women 5 க்கு அங்கே நடக்கிறது எதுவுமே தெரியல because she is always concentrated in showing her photographs. So she is asking, who is Joe? What is the matter with him? Joe யாரு, என்னாச்சு, what happened to him? Women 1, I am afraid to go in. I am afraid to look. Joe is my husband and that awful dentist has been working on him. He is in there. Okay, so I am afraid to get inside the doctor room. Joe is my husband and the dentist is working on his teeth. Women 1 points to the surgery. So அந்த ரூம்குள்ளே தான் என்னோட ஹஸ்பண்ட் இருக்காரு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Women 5, well, I don't suppose he has come to any harm. So என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, women 5, அவருக்கு ஒன்றும் he will not be suffering very much, don't worry. Women 5 sits beside women 1. I tell you what dear, you need cheering up. நான் என்ன சொல்கிறேன்னா, you want something to cheer you up, so please look at my photographs. Here you just have a look at my holiday photos. They are ever so cheerful. So இதை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப cheer up ஆகிடுவீங்க. So please look at my photograph. Women 5 is telling. Women 1 breaks into fresh sobs. Okay, so again women 1 starts to cry. Women 5, oh dear me, where is that very amusing one? Women 5 looks through her photographs. I must have lost it. Yes, it will probably be over there. So women 5, and the amusing, interesting photograph எங்கே காணோம். So I think I have lost it or kept it somewhere. Women 5 walks across to her previous position and starts looking for the last photograph. Women 1 continues crying. Enter man 1 from the surgery. So women 5 என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அவங்க மிஸ் பண்ண ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபை தேடுறதுக்காக பழைய பிளேஸ்லேயே போய் she is going and sitting. Women 1 is crying and man 1 is coming out of the doctor's room. Chicho, what will happen to him? So man 1, why? Whatever is the matter, Emily? So man 1 is asking to her wife, that is woman 1, her name is Emily. He is asking, what happened? Why are you crying? Joe, are you all right? Let me look at you, Joe. Okay, so Joe, என்னாச்சு உங்களுக்கு? Are you all right? Man 1, of course I am all right. நான் நல்லா தான் இருக்கேன். Why should not I be all right? நான் ஏன் நல்லா இருக்கக்கூடாது? Women 1, but Joe, all that hammering and sawing? So women 1 is asking, we have heard all the hammering and sawing sound. So சுத்தியால் அடிக்கிற சவுண்டும் அந்த ஹேக்ஸால் கட் பண்ணுற சவுண்டும் உள்ளேருந்து எங்களுக்கு கேட்டுச்சு. Man 1, oh that was only the dentist trying to force upon his instrument cabinet. So அந்த சவுண்டு எங்கேருந்து வந்ததுன்னா, the dentist was trying to open his instrument box. அவரோட equipment box-ஐ open பண்ண முடியாமல் open பண்ண ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தார். That is that sound. His cabinet. Yes, you see, he lost the key. அவரோட இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வச்சுருந்த அந்த ரூமோட கீயை, கேபினோட கீயை மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டாரு. Women 1. So he has not done anything to you, Joe. அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு எதுவும் பண்ணலையா அவங்க? So man 1 is telling, that is Joe is telling, not a thing, and I can't wait any longer this morning. So he had done nothing to me, and also in this morning I cannot wait for a long time. I have made an appointment with him for the evening instead. ஓகே, ஸோ நான் ஈவினிங் வந்து மீட் பண்ணுறேன் டாக்டர்னு அவர்கிட்ட அப்பாயின்மெண்ட், ஈவினிங்க்கு அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் வாங்கிட்டேன். The nurse gave me some pills. Pills means medicines. To deaden the pain in the meantime. So the nurse gave me some medicines to reduce the pain. Women 1. Oh Joe, I was so upset. So இப்போ தான் women 1 is getting relaxed. என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க? I was so upset. ஸோ உள்ளேருந்து வர்றது உங்களோட சவுண்டு தான் நினச்சி I became very much upset. Man 1. Well, it's all right now, Emily. So let's go. It's okay, Emily. Let us go. So far உள்ளேருந்து வந்த சவுண்ட் என்னது? அவரோட இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் எல்லாம் எக்யூப்மெண்ட்லாம் இருக்க கேபின் ரூம் அவர் ஓப்பன் பண்ண முடியாததுனால he was using hammers and saws to cut it and open. அந்த சவுண்டை கேட்டு தான் வெளியில் இருந்த எல்லாரும் they were afraid and everyone had gone out. Women 1 and man 1 go out left. So they are also going out. A moment later the nurse enters from the surgery. She is walking across the stage when the dentist enters left. The dentist is waving a key. So இப்போ அந்த டென்டிஸ்ட் ஒரு கீயை இப்படி அசைச்சு காட்டுறாரு. வேவிங் மீன்ஸ் இப்படி கையில் வச்சுட்டு இப்படி அதை இப்படி மூவ் பண்ணி காட்டுறது. ஓகே, I found the key. Believe it or not, but it was under the telephone directory. What an awful waste of time. So telephone directory அப்படின்னா in those days when we have landline phone இருக்கும் இல்லையா, landline phone இருக்கப்ப so everyone will have a telephone directory. It is nothing but a book which has all the telephone numbers. That is called as telephone directory, like a diary or a book, like it will have all the numbers. So believe it or not, but it was under the telephone directory. So the key was under the telephone directory. What an awful waste of time. So it is a waste of time we are using to open the room by using hammers and saws. So nurse is telling, I am afraid the first patient could not wait. However, he made an appointment for this evening. So the patient could not wait, but பரவாயில்ல இருந்தாலும் he had made an appointment for the evening. Dentist is telling, fair enough, I will take the next patient. So she is telling, doctor is telling, I will look at the next patient. Dentist goes into the surgery. So he is getting inside that room. Nurse turns to woman 5 who is still looking at her photographs. இப்போ அங்கே இருக்க ஒரே ஒரு பேஷண்ட் யார்? Only women 5. Okay, so nurse is looking at her, but what woman 5 is doing? Still she is looking at the photographs. Nurse is telling to women 5, now madam, the dentist is ready. So the dentist is ready to look you. Women 5 looks up. Women 5, do you mean me, miss? என்னையா சொல்கிறீங்க nurse? She is asking to the nurse. Nurse, yes, would you step into the surgery please? So will you come inside the doctor's room? Who is telling? Nurse is telling to women 5. Nurse goes into the surgery. After telling this, she is getting inside the doctor's room. So women 5, dear me, that long queue did move quickly, didn't it? So women 5 is telling to nurse, என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க? My dear nurse, that long queue did move quickly, didn't it? எவ்வளோ பெரிய க்யூ இருந்தது, எவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் எல்லாரையும் டாக்டர் பார்த்துட்டாரு. Who is telling? Women 5. Because she is a person who was just interested in always showing her photographs to her neighbors இல்லையா. ஸோ அங்கே what happened அங்கே அப்படிங்கிறது அவங்களுக்கு தெரியவே இல்லை. So when the nurse is asking her to get inside the doctor's room, she is telling, அவ்வளோ க்யூ சீக்கிரமாக போயிடுச்சா, சீக்கிரமாக டாக்டர் பார்த்துட்டாரா, she is asking. Okay. So women 5 follows the nurse into the doctor's room. So women 5 is following the nurse inside the doctor's room. To go inside the doctor's room, the curtain falls. That is, the drama ends. Okay. So here this a play, The First Patient by Christopher Victor Burgess. It is just a comic play. Okay, it is just a comedy play filled with comedy, because here women 5 is a character who was just interested in showing the photograph. So little boy Morris and the girl Dorothea, ஸோ அவங்க உள்ளே கேட்குற சவுண்ட், ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி அவங்களுக்கு டூத் பெயினே இல்லை, பட் தே வாண்ட் டு மீட் த டாக்டர். தே வாண்ட் டு டேக் லீவ், அதனால பல் வலிக்குதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு தே ஹேட் கம் டு மீட் த டாக்டர். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து சும்மா டாக்டரை பார்த்துட்டு ஏதாவது ப்ரிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் வாங்கிட்டு போயிடலான்னு வந்தாங்க. பட் இங்கே வந்து கேட்குற சவுண்டெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, நோ ஐ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் எனி பெயின், ஐ ஜஸ்ட் செட் லை, ஐ எம் ஜோக்கிங், லெட் மீ கோ டு ஸ்கூல்னு. Okay, and also all the patients were afraid by hearing all the sound from inside the doctor's room. Okay, but finally at the enna sound, it was just he is trying to open his cabin as he had lost the key. Okay, so it is just a play filled with comedy. We have completed this supplementary. Hope every one of you have understood. Thank you for watching. Thank you.